Emma and Leah approach the dance studio, a mix of apprehension and excitement hanging in the air. The dance studio stands bright and welcoming, promising a space of movement and expression. Emma and Leah enter the dance studio, water bottles in hand, as other students stretch and chat. Leah turns to Emma, her eyes bright with anticipation. "Are you excited?" Emma responds, a mix of nervousness and excitement in her voice. "A little nervous, but yes." Miss Jessica stands before her eager students, her athletic attire and warm smile setting a welcoming tone. "Welcome, everyone. Let's have fun today," Ms. Jessica says. The dance class begins with warm-up stretches in front of the mirrors. Emma struggles to keep up, but Leah offers words of encouragement. "Wow, I really needed this stretch," Emma exclaims, a sigh of relief escaping her lips. Miss Jessica guides the class through the initial dance steps. Leah follows the instructions effortlessly, her movements fluid and confident. Emma struggles with the steps, her hesitation evident as she mutters, "Okay, left, right, wait, what?" Emma falters, turning the wrong way, and says, "Oops, wrong turn." A classmate responds with understanding. It happens. Emma's brow furrows as she intensely focuses on the dance steps, determined to master them. "Hey, I think I got it!" Emma exclaims, her movements now flowing with newfound grace and confidence. A radiant smile blossoms on Emma's face, illuminating her with a profound sense of accomplishment. The dance studio pulses with energy as the music quickens, and the students mirror the increased tempo with more energetic movements. "Faster now! 1, 2, 3. Ms. Jessica's voice cuts through the music, guiding the class. In perfect harmony, students clap in unison as Leah's radiant smile meets Emma's gaze. "Look, we're doing it!" Leah exclaims, her voice filled with excitement. Emma and Leah sit side by side, catching their breath. "That was so much fun!" Emma exclaims, a wide smile spreading across her face. Leah, equally invigorated, responds, "Let's come every week." Emma and Leah leave the dance studio, their laughter echoing in the twilight. "Weekend well spent," Emma exclaims, her voice filled with joy as the sky turns golden.